Hello. In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to create a corrective sales credit memo in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. To do this, you can start at the Posted Sales Invoices page. From the list of posted sales invoices, you can select the invoice you want to create a credit memo for. From the Posted Sales Invoice card, you can click Correct and thereafter create Corrective Credit Memo. Business Central will then create the credit memo for us, automatically applying it to the invoice, as well as copying over the invoice line items. This is where we can make adjustments to the invoice line items to reflect the credit memo agreement. Thereafter, we can continue to post the document. And here we have our posted sales credit memo on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.